Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming you have your agency account, username, and current password available. Check that your account is active and authorized for EPS updates. Enroll and test two-factor authentication using a phone or hardware token to ensure you can sign in. Verify your password follows the 90-day rotation policy and update it if older. Gather the EPS update package files and confirm each file is under 15 MB. Create and store a current backup copy before you begin any changes. Sign in to the DOJ EPS portal using your username and two-factor authentication. Navigate to the Updates section and choose Create New Update. Upload the validated update package and confirm each file uploaded successfully and under the 15 MB limit. Enter a brief change summary and select the effective date in the portal interface. Run the portal validation check and monitor the validation output. Expect validation results to arrive within 30 minutes to 3 days, depending on queue. Access the DOE EPS console from your agency portal and sign in using two-factor authentication. Start a new submission under the Updates menu and attach the same validated update package files. Validate the submission and resolve any non-critical issues immediately to avoid delays. Address critical errors first and retest with corrected files. Expect non-critical issues to be resolved within 48 hours of initial submission. Confirm successful completion by checking the update status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.